Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out the Siren Eyes. So what this is a makeup look which is trending on TikTok or just trending in general right now, where it kind of like a cat eye and lifts up. This is the first time I'm creating this look, so let's learn together and try create some Siren Eyes. But just to show you, this is the look I'm going to create. And if you like the look of that, stick around to the end of the video to see how I created this look. Please smash the huge thumbs up if you do enjoy this video, and while you're down there, might as well hit the red button and subscribe to my channel. But that's enough rambling, let's get on into the video. Okay, so let's clip the hair back, so we don't get any makeup in the hair. I'm going to start on the eyeshadow today, and then I'm going to do the base, as I could get some fallout. And we're using some dark colours today, so I don't want that to ruin the base. So before I do this eyeshadow, I am going to do my brows. For this, I'm just going to fill them in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Medium Brown. So I'll be back in 1 second. And now the eyebrows are done, we can crack on with the eyeshadow. So as this is an eye focus look, I am obviously going to use an eyeshadow base. This one is the P. Louise one in the shade 0.5. What I'm going to do is take some on the back of my hand, then using a flat brush, I'm just going to apply this all over the eyelid. So I am just going to do one at a time, so I am going to start here. So just applying it on like so, very easily, making sure it's blended out and we have no streaks. And there we have it, so let's crack on with the eyeshadow. So I'm going to go in with the Revolution Reloaded palette in Velvet Rose. First, I'm just going to kind of wing out, just create some eyeshadow, create like a shadow like to the eye before going in with the liner. So I'm going to take this shade here just to create that shape. So I'm going to pick this up on a slightly angled brush, and this is the E62, picking up some of that product and then tapping off the excess. Start here and just drag it out like so. Also, if you have hooded eyes, it's always good to pull the eyeshadow above the crease. So just going in lightly and blending the product on there. So we don't want to pull much eyeshadow in the inner corner, as we want it to be like elongated. So what excess you do have on your brush, kind of wipe it away and then just kind of blend it all out. And now let's add a wing. So using eyeliner, like liquid liner, gel eyeliner, can be difficult and messy. So what I'm going to do for this look is go in and use some eyeshadow instead. And I'm just going to be using this black shade here from the same palette I was in earlier. So I've got an angled brush here. I'm just going to pick up some of that product. So first, what we're going to do, we're going to create a wing. So what we want to do... I said that a lot. Okay, so here you've got your bottom lash line. We just want to extend it and like pull it up. So using that eyeshadow, we're just gonna extend it out slowly, just like so. So we want to join that line on the top lid, but we don't want to go past the middle point at all, because we want to make that pulled up look. And if we bring the liner all the way in, it's just going to drag it down, and we don't want that. So just putting a very thin line, you don't want it chunky at all, on the top lash line. Just like that. And then we kind of want to join the outside and this line together. So kind of making that triangle shape. So just making a triangle shape like so. So now that side's done, we're going to focus on the inner corner. So this is when we're going to draw like a triangle, like a flick on the inside. I don't know if you've ever seen that before, but I can show you. So I've just got some more product on my brush. And what we're going to do here is just create that sort of triangle like that. And now I'm just going to neaten it up. I think I've got a bit too much product on, so just using a Q-tip. Just going to wipe away the underneath, just to make it a bit more sharp. And then you don't want to bring this black liner in here when I leave it empty, because again, bringing dark liner here is not gonna lift your eye, it's gonna like make it more rounded, if you know what I mean. Now what we want to do, we want to continue focusing on the under eye. We're going to start from out here, and we want to run the eyeshadow along your waterline here, but again, only going up to the middle part, like just to keep them all lifted. So taking the eyeshadow and just lightly running the shadow under the lash line. And then what you can do, if you've got too much product and you want to kind of smoke it out, take a clean brush, run it over the shadow, just to kind of smoke it out a bit. To continue lifting this look and adding a bit of an eye-catching bit, the one that will pull you in, let's add some glitter, a bit of a highlighter. So unfortunately, I haven't got like a shimmer I want there in this palette. They're all kind of golds. So I am going to reach for a Revolution highlighter. This is the Reloaded highlighter in the shade Raise the Bar. So I'm actually going to take a small pencil brush and pick up some of this product. And instead of going like in the corner like we usually do, I just want to kind of go next to where I've joined that line and a bit underneath. So just like that, and then I want to draw attention to the middle of the eye. So I'm just going to apply some glitter just up here in the middle. And yeah, I've got a lot of product on my brush right now. So now I'm just going to blend the outside like so. There, and now the highlighter on, it really pulls you in, or I think so anyway. There's the eyeshadow bit complete. Really simple, really easy, gives off a great style, I think, and it really does change your face and the way your eyes look. Now I'm going to focus on lashes, so first let's give them a curl. Taking the lash curler, this one's from Doll Beauty, grabbing the lashes like so, and then pulsing. Now for mascara, just going in with the e.l.f. Big Mood waterproof mascara. And then what we're going to do, we want to kind of pull the lashes out, so coat them, and then like drag the brush to the side, making the lashes go this way to kind of fit with the look. Same with the bottom lashes. I don't go into the highlighted part, just go where you've got the liner here, and then take it like so and swish them back. This look, a half lash will look really well because it will then pull out again instead of making your eye look rounded. So here I've got a lash from Amazon, and I'm just going to cut it so we can have a half lash. So I've even taken smaller than a half lash today, as I just want to really pull it up. So I'm now going to apply some glue to that lash. This is the Duo Black Glue. I just feel like it would work a bit better with this look because I've got that black shadow and I don't want to be able to see the glue or the lash band. Letting that glue go tacky and then applying the eyelash. And when we apply it, we want to make sure that we are lifting it because we do want a lifted look. So there you go, one eye is done. I'll complete the other eye off camera and then I'll be back. So 3, 2, 1. And there's both eyes complete. Okay, let's now work on the base makeup. To continue with this look, I am going to create a more pulled up face look instead of a round summery glow. I'm going to go with quite sophisticated and a sculpted look. So first I'm going to go in with the Embryolisse moisturizer and primer. So this is new. I actually bought it from TikTok shop, and if you want to see a full review, it's on my TikTok. But it's great. It's quite a thick, heavy moisturizer. Not heavy, but like it really does moisturize the skin. And to do with priming, yeah, I mean, its makeup sits really well on top of it. Your makeup doesn't separate. And it does kind of leave a tacky feel after you've applied it, which I like. For foundation, I'm going to go in with the Rare Beauty in the shade 140C. Gonna take that and apply it everywhere and then blend it in. Just gonna blend it in with a brush. And being careful around the eyeshadow so I don't ruin it. This is the only problem of doing eyeshadow first, but I suppose you get used to it once you've done it a few times. Next is concealer, and again I'm going in with the Rare Beauty concealer. This one is in the shade 140C, just to match the foundation. But at the same time, it doesn't match, it is still kind of lighter even though it is the same shade. So I'm just applying it like I usually would. Putting it in the areas to really give us that lift, because that's what we want for that look today. So again, I'm just going to blend this in with a brush. When we get around the eyes, we want something smaller, so I'm just going to take this fluffy brush here and just pattern and blend out that product. being careful we don't ruin the eye look. And then to take off any excess product and just to blend that extra bit, I'm just going to go in with a sponge on top. Having that precise tip really helps when it comes to this. Now to contour, I'm going to use the Eye Bright concealer in the shade, I don't know, in the shade Mocha. So I'm just going to take this, apply it like so, and then blend it in. Blending it in straight away so it doesn't get like stuck on the skin, because the longer you leave it, the harder it is to blend with this product. There's one cheekbone done. I'm just going to do it on the other side. Now just apply a little bit to the forehead and the jawline, just to create that sculpted look. Time for some blush, and I'm going in with the Revolution Pro blush in the shade Peaches. Oop, so like before, putting it on the tops of the cheekbones, creating that sculpted, lifted look. I swear with this look, it's all about pulling it up. I'm always doing this motion. But yeah, blending it out with a brush. Blends out super easy. It really does a finish off of that look. And now it's time to set all those products. So I'm going to go in with the high definition powder from e.l.f. to set it all. Applying some setting spray, just to really work those powders and cream products together. I'm going to be using the same highlighter I used for the eyeshadow on the cheekbones, just to create that unison look and to give me that glow I want. So I'm just going to do my lips and then I'll be back. And there we have it, the finished look. So for lips, if you was wondering, I did go for something nude, and this is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick in the shade Driver. One of my favorites. So here's the finished look. What do you think? Am I giving sexy, seductive vibes? Because apparently that's what Siren Eyes is meant to do. Comparing to the doe eyes, which are meant to be cute and adorable. So if you did want that video, let me know in the comments if you wanted me to do doe versus Siren Eyes. I hope you enjoyed the video and found this video helpful for when you want to create Siren Eyes. Or if not, I just hope you had some fun and learned something new. If you did enjoy this video, please hit the massive thumbs up. I would greatly appreciated. I love that. Let's try and get to 10 likes today. And while you're down there, hit the red button and subscribe. Come join the family. If you love makeup, challenges, all things fun, this is a perfect place for you. Anyway, thank you for sticking around to the end of the video. I really did hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you next Tuesday at 6. Bye guys.